pain pills.
All right, how's this feel? 6 weeks walking after that knee replacement?
No problem.
Excellent. Not using a cane or a walker, and you're a rock star, my friend.
Hi, I'm Gary, age 75, and had this knee replaced about 6 weeks ago. And the 2 months before that surgery, I couldn't do nothing. Let's put it that way. I was limping around. It was miserable. The surgery, it went fine. I had no problems.
And how long were you there?
Not very long.
Yeah.
Everything went smooth, and even when we went home, I was expecting him to be in agony because they cut it up, you know. But he was walking about. We put the ice on. We did everything according to the book and according to what doctor said, and never had a bit of problem. He was walking all that first day.
I walked with a walker for
2 weeks.
Yeah, but I didn't need it really.
No, not really. Yeah.
'Cause
Tried a cane.
I left it on the other side of the room. I said, where is it?
That's good. That's what I like to hear.
Used a cane for a couple of weeks just to make sure, because we didn't want to take any chances, but he hasn't used anything.
Start.
Yep.
Well, I always like to ask people, now that you've been through this 6 weeks, and if you had advice to give someone who might have, hip or knee pain and they're not sure about what to do, what would you recommend?
I'd have it done, because I'm assuming everybody's different, but I had no problem whatsoever, let's put it that way.
With recovery.
And I've talked to other people that had knee surgeries other places, and they had problems, but
We followed doctor's book
yeah.
to the letter. Did exactly what we were supposed to, and no problems.
Well, wonderful.
Follow exactly what he says. We didn't want no problems.
Yeah, it's amazing how that works out sometimes. So,
And
well, it's been an absolute privilege to work with you. So thank you so much.
thank you.